just been replacing this old light here, which was definitely pretty rusty. It was not bad, but definitely the new one, you can see that here, which I got from the seller to show you, definitely a huge upgrade, I think, regarding style. Watch how beautiful this looks here. Absolutely amazing. And it came pretty much fully pre-assembled. The only thing which you need is a light bulb down here, which is standard E26, 27, which is super easy to add. And also here in the back we have pretty much standard installation material. You can see, you can just take off these nuts here, then you can fully remove this installation part, which comes with everything, even with some extra screws, nuts, everything. And so when you have this separated from the light, it's super easy. You can just secure this mounting bracket. And what's absolutely awesome is you can see we have these long openings here, which makes it super easy to attach it, for example, to a wall. And then you can have it leaning in any angle. You can have it in a vertical position. You can have it horizontal position. Doesn't matter. The light can be still perfectly adjusted straight down. And then when you have it secured, connect it to the old wires, then put the light on and secure it with these two screws, and you're pretty much done. Just add the light bulb inside, and then this decoration part here on top. Yeah, it was super easy. And now I have even two of them. I've only used one at the moment, but works really good, is absolutely beautiful. Of course, in this version here, we don't have any timer. It's not working dusk to dawn with a sensor or so. It's just on working 24/7, unless you install a timer in the electric box or so. But really the design absolutely convinces me. The light already very beautiful to watch during the day, and especially of course during the night with this really nice pattern here which we have. So for me it's a perfect combination between classic and modern, absolutely perfect for this situation here, and so I would say full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this lamp, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.